Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save video in CapCut into gallery. So let's begin. So as you can see, I am in the CapCut application and I am currently editing a normal project just to demonstrate this video. So I have edited the project and now I want to export the project. So you can export the project using the export button on the upper right corner. You can also select the resolution by clicking on 1080p, and as you can see, I can edit the resolution from here. I can also edit the frame rate, code rate, etc. from here. So if I increase the code rate, as you can see, the estimate file size is increasing. So if I keep the recommended option, it's 12.1 megabyte, but if I increase the code rate, then it will be 15.1 MB. If I increase the frame rate, it will be 21.1 MB, and if I increase the resolution, then it will be 49 megabyte. So I can just keep the normal frame rate, and if you want to enable Smart HDR, you can enable it by clicking here and then go to watermark if you want CapCut watermark to be visible or hidden. However, you can hide the watermark and it's totally free. So I'm going to hide the watermark and then I'm going to hit export over here. So as you can see, I am unable to export the video. So if you are also unable to export the video and you are getting this kind of message that you are using following premium features, then you are going to have to press the cross icon here and then you're gonna have to go back to the editing option. Now the fact is that the transition I'm using over here is actually a pro transition. So I can't use the pro transition because I'm not a pro user. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to select a normal transition like this one. Alright, so I have selected this transition. Now let's click on the tick icon, and now this transition is ready. So I'm going to use this transition, and now I have expanded the export settings, and now I'm clicking on export. So as you can see, after I click on export, the export has been done and the exported video is now ready to share. So guys, that is how you can export your video. If you're stuck, then remove all the pro features and then continue to export. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.